Hey everyone, welcome back to NIEL tutorial with your trainer Shreya. Today in this video, we are going to learn some phrasal verbs with look. Now you all must know that look का मतलब तो सिर्फ देखना होता है. But when we add any preposition after this word, so the meaning changes. Let's see it one by one. The first is look for. It means ढूंढना या कुछ भी खोजना. For example, what are you looking for under the table? आप टेबल के नीचे क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? Another is I'm looking for a new job. मैं जॉब ढूंढ रहा हूँ. And let's take one more example. Don't look for happiness, create it. The next comes look up. Look up का मतलब भी खोजना ही होता है, but it is used when we talk about कोई information खोजना, जैसे डिक्शनरी से, बुक से, etc. For example, what are you looking up in this book? Or another is look up the meaning of this word in the dictionary. The third comes look up to. Look up to का मतलब होता है किसी की इज्जत करना या किसी की तारीफ करना, प्रशंसा करना. For example, I look up to all those who help others. Another example is he looks up to his elder brother as a real life hero. Third example is I look up to Saint Message as my spiritual leader. The another comes look at. It also means देखना, but it is used जब हम बात करते हैं एक डायरेक्शन से दूसरी डायरेक्शन में देखना. For example, look at the whiteboard or look at the man who is standing there. The next comes that is look ahead. अब look ahead का मतलब होता है आगे देखना. It doesn't mean कि आगे की तरफ देखना. It means future की तरफ देखना, future में देखना. For example, we must look ahead before we make any decision. The another example is another is he who doesn't look ahead remains behind. The next is look back. It means पीछे देखना. Now it simply means जब आप past में देखते हैं. For example, it is better to look ahead and prepare than to look back and regret. The another example is don't waste your time looking back at what you have lost. The another is look forward to. It means किसी चीज की उत्सुकता में उम्मीद करना. For example, I'm looking forward to going to Paris next month. Another example of looking forward to is she is looking forward to seeing her grandchildren again. The another is look out. Look out means किसी की तलाश में रहना या सावधान रहना. For example, I am on the lookout for a good job. And when we talk about सावधान रहना, let's take one example of this also. Look out, there is a bus coming. यहाँ पर इसका मतलब है कि सावधान रहो. The next is look through. It means दोहराना और ध्यान से समझना, to read something. For example, hurry up, look through the chapter, or I have looked through all the files. The next is look after. It simply means किसी की देखभाल करना. For example, who looks after these plants, or who looked after you in the hospital. The another comes look into. It means जांच पड़ताल करना, means to investigate. For example, the police are looking into the matter, or you should look into the accounts thoroughly. And the last comes that is look down on, means किसी को कम समझना. For example, he looks down on her because she does nothing. Another example is we should not look down on the poor. Well guys, these were certain phrasal verbs with look. Go through this video very carefully and try to frame some sentences out of it. I will be back with some new phrasal verbs for you.